What is going on, guys? It's in here from CZeroMedia. In today's episode, I'm gonna be working on the interior of the 280Z. Alright, so today's task is to remove everything out of the car to redo the carpet. I'm gonna take out the seat, I'm gonna take out the center console, and pretty much everything that's in the way to replace this house carpet that the previous owner chose to install inside the Z. I don't know why. I'm assuming that at the time that the previous owner was redoing the car, a pre-cut carpet like the one I got from Z Car Depot was not available. So I got this basically full set, front and back, left and right. I got it for like $200, maybe it was less than that, 180, 160-ish shipped, which is completely reasonable for full carpet set pre-cut, designed to get installed into a 280Z. So I'm going to just strip everything out of here. I'm gonna get rid of the seats. Speaking of seats, I got a surprise coming for you guys. I got brand new seats, left and right, that will be installed in here instead of these original adjustable seats. Nothing wrong with it. Previous owner actually took it apart, reformed it, rewrapped it. So it's literally brand new OEM condition. It's just that for me, it's a little too OEM. It's a little too original. It doesn't hug you at all. These bolsters don't really do much. You know, it's a car design in the 70s, so that's understandable. And as with any of my cars, I just don't like anything stock. So I'm gonna get rid of these seats. I will probably reinstall the stock seat belts for now in the new seat. However, I do want to install a roll bar in the future, or like half a cage, so that I can do a harness setup instead of stock seat belts. And eventually in the future I want to do a full cage, but that's to calm down the road. I don't want to get into all that for now. Maybe when I swap the engine or something like that. And I'm not sure if some of you have noticed this sitting in the car, but I got this wooden NRG steering wheel for $110 from, of course, one and only CZeroMedia.com with the coupon code YouTube. As for the logo in the middle, NRG, I definitely don't like that. So what I did was went on eBay and found a horn replacement that says Datsun. So I'm waiting for that to come from Thailand of all the places. Replica again, not authentic. I don't really care about that. So let's get to it. Alright guys, and the seats are out. Let me show you these seats. Alright, so this is what the seat looks like. Easy to remove. One bolt on the right, one on the left, the front, the same in the rear. Just 4 points. But man, these things are extremely heavy. It must weigh like 50 pounds. I'm gonna try and see if I can find a scale to put these on, because these are by far one of the heaviest seats I have ever felt. And it doesn't even have heated seats or massage or cooling or any of that stuff, right? It's just a piece of iron. Oh my god, this is crazy heavy. So for that reason alone, you guys know how much I love weight reduction. So I am glad that I'm getting rid of this and going with aftermarket seats. These, of course, will be up for sale if you want to keep that authentic look. It is in perfect condition. So if anybody's interested, let me know. So now that the seats are removed, I gotta remove the center console there. I'm gonna start working on the rear side of the car as well, and get the centerpiece removed so I can just kind of peel everything back. What I'm gonna do is make sure the new carpet goes in, everything fits correctly and fits nicely. If I need to cut anything, I want to do that before I start gluing the carpet into the car. Alright guys, so this is where we are at. I removed the rear carpet section completely. Remove the bracket that holds the carpet, the L bracket right here. And I have these Sony Export speakers in the back, which I guess is custom. The previous owner cut out a perfect circle there and mounted this through the carpet. While I like that there's extra speakers there, I don't like that it's mounted right here. And I noticed that in 240s, they have a speaker in the back here. and back here. So I'm not sure if I need to get like a different panel with speaker holes in it, or if that was just something I saw that was done custom. Let me know if you guys know anything about that, mounting a larger speaker in the back of the car as like a subwoofer, I guess, should I say, because I already have tweeters up here, which is functional, and I didn't even know I had that. So next up, I'm gonna have to remove these what are these called, door seals, trims, whatever these things are called, 4 screws, and then the carpet's gonna come loose on this side, and I'm gonna remove the center console, undo the 3 or 4 bolts that's going straight down in the compartment there, and 2 bolts, one on the left, one on the right, holding the center console from the side. And I think center console should come out, which should give me full access to remove the carpet completely. We'll see how that goes. And to be honest, so far, this has been the easiest carpet removal job on the planet. Alright guys, guarding the interior of the Datsun, it's finished. Let's check it out. So, this is what it looks like. I'm actually quite impressed at how well the previous owner cut the house carpet to fit inside this complex shape of a car. Very impressive, but it looked like crap. But anyways, I became a little richer today by finding a bunch of quarters under the seat. Previous owner already insulated the transmission tunnel and the floor pan and all that, so you know it's nice and quiet. So I'm just gonna no prep work. I just need to clean it up, lay it on the carpet, and that's that. And it's about midnight on Saturday night, so I'm gonna call it a day for now. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back here and clean things up, test fit the new carpet. If everything fits alright, I'm gonna go ahead and glue the new carpet in and start putting the interior back together already. Pretty quick job. I'm pretty happy with how things are going so far. Not bad at all. So that's it for now. Thanks again guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next update.